Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a safe test save so you don't risk your main file. Save to a fresh slot, then load it immediately. Once done, power off and attach a USB keyboard if you have one. Keyboards simplify typing. Make sure to have quick resume or similar disabled so the session is pristine. You're aiming to enter a controlled environment before injecting commands, so verify the save load completes without mods or recent crashes. Next, you perform the actual console access workaround. You'll either rely on a keyboard attached to the Xbox with a known exploit save, or use a controller macro and a save edited on PC to emulate console input. Once connected, input a safe, harmless command such as TGM to check permission and response. If the game accepts it, you've established input. Make sure to proceed slowly and avoid powerful commands until you confirm stability and finally execute the specific commands you need, entering one at a time and verifying the effect in-game after each. Once satisfied, save to another new slot to lock in the changes. If something goes wrong, stop and reload the backup created at the start, then remove any recently enabled mods or undo edits before retrying. If commands are ignored, restart the console and repeat the keyboard or save edit steps to re-establish reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.